How to transfer Dogwifhat token from Bitget wallet to Bybit on PC. Now, first of all, we need to get to withdrawal address of Dogwifhat token from our Bybit account. First of all, head over to Access, now click on Deposit. And as you can see here in the select coin, now click on it and type the the WIF in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it and now select the chain as a Solana, and now you can copy the withdrawal address of your token. Now go and open your Bitget wallet, select the Solana as a network. Now search for your token. In this case it will be Dogwifhat. So after you find it, now click on it, and as you can see here, click on send. Now in this receive address, provide the withdrawal address that you copied from your Bybit account, and now during the transfer amount you can type how much you want to transfer. As you can see, after that, if you want to provide a note, you can. If you don't, it's optional. After that, click on next, and in about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token on your Bybit account. So this is how to transfer Dogwifhat token from Bitget wallet to Bybit on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.